Meet Rob S, the advanced robotic lawnmower from McCulloch. The Rob S series allows you to cut the lawn in a simple, practical, and connected way. Rob will continuously cut your grass so you don't have to. Getting Rob up and running is easy. Step 1. You can place the charging station almost anywhere you like around the edge of the lawn, even in a corner. Step 2. Lay out the boundary to define the cutting area and place the guide wire. Step 3. Run the simple setup wizard and you're ready to go. The guide technology wire allows Rob to intelligently and efficiently find his way home without leaving unwanted tracks. It also helps him navigate too difficult to reach areas using the remote start function, providing an even finish across the whole lawn. Rob is quiet and efficient and adapts to work around your lifestyle. With the lifestyle cutting programs, you can change between day or night cutting modes, or use special functions such as spot cutting, where Rob will mow in an outward spiral for areas of excessive growth. The intuitive keypad makes it easy to change mowing programs or access other functions and settings. There is also a connected app so you can control Rob directly from your smartphone. Rob has a built-in security pin and an anti-theft alarm, so you can leave him cutting your lawn without worrying. Thanks to the Lawn Shield adaptive cutting system, Rob adapts his mowing schedule based on lawn growth, preventing wear on the lawn. Rob has a muscular and powerful design and can handle slopes with an incline of up to 35%. He is also very agile and has no problem to manage passages. Rob cuts the grass into small clippings naturally, feeding the lawn as he goes, making it stronger and healthier, which removes the need to empty a grass box. Just tell Rob when to mow, day or night, rain or shine, and he will make your lawn look better than ever.